Serious allegations have been made.
Yes,
That has
serious
to be,
allegations. Let the allegations be looked
those
into.
allegations have to be dealt with, my lord.
Let it be looked into. Nomination stood rejected.
Your Lordship was pleased to direct them to give the decision. They came up with the decisions, and I came up with this application. And I found this tampering, and that has been reported because this is a tampering while producing a bunch of documents to this court. Tampered document was passed. The Xerox copy of the tampered document was passed, produced before this court. So we intimated it to the concerned police station also. It is not a fact that I have submitted that document. I have submitted the correct document. In my absence, that has been tampered. That is my specific allegation from the very beginning.
Where have you averred this tampering part?
Lordship, in my application, Lordship, this is it. It was detected from the instruction, a copy of the instruction given to me by Mr. Mitra.
Please come.
West Bengal Panchayat election of 2003. Your Lordship kindly consider section 79. It says, if any dispute arises as to the validity of an election under this act, any person entitled to vote at such election may, within 30 days after the date of declaration of the result of such election, file a petition, my lord. And my lord, your Lordship kindly gives us an opportunity to respond to their CAN application, my lord.
Respond to their CAN application?
My lord, we would file opposition, my lord, to this CAN application.
So that the matter goes to the next election.
My lord, we have to respond it, my lord. Certain allegations have been made, serious allegations. We have to respond it, my lord.
Respond how? By way of further affidavit denying whatever is there.
My lord, we would respond.
You have already denied.
My lord, we would respond.
Your instruction signed by the BDO is already there on record.
My lord, we would respond to this application.
What does this mean?
Because serious allegations have been made.
Yes,
That
serious
has to be, my lord.
allegations. Let the allegations be looked
Those
into.
allegations have to be dealt with, my lord.
Let it be looked into. Let your allegations be looked into.
Lordship, only submission, Lordship, in Kashmir Begam's case, while dealing with the appeal, the division bench was of the opinion that justice should not only be done, it has to seem to be done. That was the purpose for judicial officer was there, and that was the constitution.
Just show me that order of the division bench in Kashmir.
Lordship, the RDR order.
Yes, yes.
It is a part of another.
I just want to see.
I'm looking at there, otherwise you will think that
No, doesn't matter.
I want the markings to be there. Otherwise, your Lordship will think that I have not studied the brief at all.
Fine.
Good that you handed up the copy of the stay because my order is also there. Actually. The petitioners, both the petitioners intended to contest. Both the petitioners intended.
No, one.
And the other is the proposer.
No, Lordship, the another is the agent.
Other is who?
Lordship, the petition.
We are concerned with this
Number one.
Surojit Pramanik.
Yes,
Who is this Devaprasad Bhomik?
Devaprasad Bhomik is the leader of his party yet.
So then forget it. Then candidate is Surojit.
Yes, Surojit.
As a petitioner number 1, Surojit Pramanik intended to contest the Panchayat General Elections 2023. Stop.
পরে আছে দাঁড়াও বলতে হলো representation এই যে।
His nomination stood rejected. Allegedly on the ground of mismatch of the electoral data of his proposer. Stop. Next. Paragraph. The block development officer has forwarded the electoral data with the instruction forwarded to the learned advocate representing the state respondents. Stop. Next. The nomination paper allegedly filed by the proposed candidate is annexed with the instruction. Stop. Next. It appears that the electoral data mentioned in the nomination paper has been overwritten. Stop. Next. Paragraph. Specific case of the petitioner is that the figures mentioned in the nomination paper were tampered. Stop. The electoral roll was also annexed with the instruction forwarded. Stop. Admittedly, the candidate and his proposer both belong to the constituency from which the nomination was sought to be filed. Stop. Paragraph. It is the submission of the Panchayat returning officer that as the incorrect data was put in the nomination paper, not put but mentioned. Accordingly, the officer had no other option but to reject the nomination paper. Stop. It has been submitted that prior to rejection, opportunity of hearing was given to the petitioner as well as his proposer. Stop. None responded at the time of hearing. Stop. Next. The petitioner has filed the communication made to the Panchayat returning officer, wherein it was specifically mentioned that the Panchayat returning officer intimated the candidate and his representative that the nomination paper was okay, and accordingly there was no requirement of either the petitioner or his agent to appear in the hearing. Stop. Next. Paragraph. A complaint was lodged by the petitioner. No, not a complaint, but the complaint. The complaint lodged by the petitioner was duly responded. Wherein it was mentioned that the scrutiny of the nomination papers were carried out strictly following the relevant rules and according to the pre-announced schedule. Stop. In doing so, wherever any confusion / defect / mismatch arose or noticed, the concerned candidate or his representative were duly informed and consulted. Stop. Then the decision was taken. And in doing so, absence of the candidate or his representative had nothing to do with the decision making. Stop.